Hey guys, welcome to unseen portion of internet. In this video you'll see how a golf ball gets struck by a lightning. This video is proof how a bad day looks like. Now this is a kind of bullfighting I can be a part of, and it seems better than the real one. This man over here will teach you how to swipe left in real life. Thinking back to the fact that they did on my raps for the facts they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need charge. Yeah, they twins with the 20 years apart. I got big packs coming on the way. In this video, you'll see what overthinking looks like.
It's that part right there that's scary. Look at her, what she doing? What she doing? Get up! Get up! Get up! You out the water! You out! You're okay! You out the water! You're okay! You out the water!
That's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.